my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I will make a cheesy veg sandwich. This recipe is very simple and quick. Not only will adults enjoy this recipe, but children will love it. So come on, let's get started. So our ingredients are boiled mashed potatoes, 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of chopped celery, chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon, chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon, mixed cheese, 3/4 cup, or you can use 2 slices of cheese, green chilies according to taste, salt according to taste, 1 tablespoon of chopped onions, 2 slices of bread, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add potatoes, then chopped onions, then tomatoes, then celery, add chaat masala, salt according to taste, chilies according to taste, black pepper powder, and now we have to mix it really well. Spread the potato mix on 2 pieces of bread. Add the shredded cheese or sliced cheese. Melt some butter in a pan and heat the sandwich on medium flame. Cover the pan and cook each side for 3 minutes. The sandwich is ready. It looks so delicious, tempting, golden, crispy, and crunchy. Wow, this sandwich looks so yum. Try this recipe at home and leave a comment below. If you are viewing my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. See you next time with new recipes.